a step-by-step guide on how to write your objection to Mayfield Market Town. In order to write your objection, please start by visiting our website www.lambs.org.uk. Please select the Object Now button. On this page, start by watching the How to Object to Mayfield Market Town video to learn how to register your objection on the Horsham District Council website. Then, read the How to Object section. To write your objection, read the Main Reasons to Object section. You should choose the main reasons to object that you agree with or are concerned about the most. For further information, we recommend that you read the further reading links. You do not need to read the reports commissioned by LAMS, but if you wish to do so, they are available for download. Simply write the main objections you have chosen in your own words and include your own specific experience where possible. You could do this in a word processor such as Word or directly in the comments box on the Horsham District Council website. It is not necessary, but if you are able to reference the strategic planning policies listed under the detailed assessment here, this will strengthen your objection. Simply look for the heading that relates to your objection and then quote the strategic planning policy number. For example, you could write, "I believe SP29 is compromised as Henfield will lose its own identity. There is already pressure on the high street which no longer has a bank." Or, "I believe SP26 is compromised as an unacceptable increase in car traffic will severely affect already congested roads and increase air pollution. I commute and there is already insufficient parking at stations." Or, "I believe SP31 is compromised as several red-listed species have been identified at the proposed development site. There would be an unacceptable loss of important wildlife habitats." If you own land in the area, please ensure you highlight any experience of flooding and say if you do not intend to sell to Mayfields, as this will show the council that the site is not deliverable. We suggest you do not copy and paste our examples, as your own words and reasons will have more weight with Horsham District Council. Once you have written your objection, you can post it directly on the Horsham District Council website. Finally, finish by clicking Submit.